Welcome dear student. So today we will see an interesting topic like 5 accidental science discoveries that changed the world. Let's see. So necessity is the mother of all invention, as the famous saying goes. But there have also been quite a few times that some major scientific and technological inventions were a complete fluke. So we will see some of the examples related to this incredible accidental science and technological discoveries that have changed the world. So out of which first is X-rays were also discovered by accident. So X-rays was discovered by Wilhelm Röntgen. So let's see. Yeah. So while working on a cathode ray tube, German physicist Wilhelm Röntgen noticed something strange was happening. Despite the tube being covered, he saw a nearby fluorescent screen glow when the tube was on and the room was darkened, and he tried to block the apparently invisible rays, but most things didn't have any effect. When he tried using his hand, he noticed that he could see his bones in an image projected on the screen, and amazed, he replaced the screen with the photographic plate and the first X-ray ever was created. So this is how the X-ray discovered by accidentally. Let's see next. So second we are going to say is sweet and low was found by also accidentally. So let's see. So sweet and low or saccharin was discovered by chance in 1878 by Constantine Fagelberg, and he was analyzing coal tar at the time, and after forgetting to wash his hands one day and picking up a roll to eat, he noticed that it tasted unusually sweet, and he later started tasting some of the other compounds he would created and found that one combining O-sulfobenzoic acid with phosphorus chloride and ammonia was the culprit, and he filed for a patent in 1884. So our third accidental discovery is penicillin. So penicillin was another accidental discovery. So Sir Alexander Fleming in 1928 noticed that mold had started to grow in a petri dish of one Staphylococcus bacteria cultures, and while trying to salvage cultures unaffected by the mold, he noticed that the bacterial colony would not grow near the mold, and Fleming soon realized that the mold must be releasing some kind of substance that inhibited bacterial growth. That means that substance is killing the bacterial growth, and penicillin was later introduced in the 1940s, saving countless lives since. Now our fourth accidental scientific discovery is insulin was also a freaky discovery, and we know this insulin is helpful in diabetes patient, very helpful to diabetes patient. Let's see. So back in the late 1880s, two doctors were attempting to uncover the pancreas role with digestion, and the two doctors were Frederick Banting and Charles Best. So after removing one from a test dog, they noticed that flies were gathering around the dog's urine, and after testing the urine, they noted that it had a high sugar content, and they realized they had inadvertently given the dog diabetes. And a little later, further experiments during the 1920s built on their work and were able to isolate the pancreatic secretion known as insulin, which is useful in diabetes. So the fifth is Teflon was also a fluke. It was also discovered by chance. So this was discovered by Roy Plunkett, and after returning to an open cylinder, he was working in the DuPont Company's Jackson laboratory in 1938 when he started researching new refrigerants. One such substance he experimented with was tetrafluoroethylene, in short form as TFF gas. So after returning to an open cylinder, he would store some of the gas in. He discovered a strange white powder on the inside, and curiosity compelled him to conduct some tests on it, and he found that it was heat resistant and had low surface friction and was inert to corrosive acids, and it was effectively an ideal substance for cookware. So student, I hope you like this topic. Thank you.